Hi friends, myself Govind here. Today I am going to review very good gadget. It is basically a mobile OnePlus 8T. This is the mobile. So this is recently launched after OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. This is the in between the range and very good specifications phone. So there are basically two variants in this. One is basically 8 plus 256 GB RAM. Another one is 12 plus 256 GB RAM. I bought this 12 plus 256 GB RAM silver color. So I will tell you the first what are the pros in this. It has got 65 watt RAP charger, this one, and this time they have given C to C cable. So basically in 40 minutes your phone will be charged fully from 0 to 100, and in 20 minutes it will give you charging 55 to 60%. So very good advantage. So because earlier their 8 series phone also, when you charge it, it takes more than 1 hour. So this is a 15-20 minutes saving, very good feature. Second one is 120 Hertz refresh rate screen, very good advantage. So you can set it 120 also, you can set it even 60 Hertz display also. It is a butter smooth. If you look at my phone, I will show you. Very smooth, fast, everything. Very fast. So you see it very moves it very fast. So I will open one map. So you will see this one. So this is what it is basically, and the third is its battery capacity is 4500 mAh. So it is a good, and this phone costs 8 GB plus 256 GB comes to us 41,000, and 12 GB cost about 46. So during the sale of this Amazon, I bought it. I got a discount of 1700 rupees. So this is a very good advantage of this. Second is that it is assembled in India. It is not fully Chinese, but it is assembled in India. And it has got quad camera setup, 4 cameras on back and one is in the front. 4 back, this time they moved from center to corner one, because in center it was hitting, and now they have put it in the corner, left corner. So this one. Second is, it is latest Oxygen OS 11 processor. So very good one, very smooth also. Just I got, I am using it since 3 days, and it has got 865 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. These are the basics, and the cons are there basically. No wireless charging in this, no IP68 rating, only flash proof of water you can manage it, but not IP rating. Third is, here they do not have a telephoto lens. Instead of that, they have given 2 megapixel monochrome, basically white and black camera. I don't know why they have given it, what is the purpose of it also. basically. It has got basically 4 camera setup. One is of main camera is of 68 megapixel, and second one is 16 megapixel wide lens camera. It is better than OnePlus 8 camera. Wide angle is very wide in this. And third camera phone is of 5 megapixel macro. Macro phone you can do it any flower or any these things, so you can do it that one. It is a fourth one is 2 megapixel black and white. This is what the review about it. And since I am using 2-3 days, I have got my main driver is still, I am using iPhone. I am shooting this on my iPhone only, but due to this battery backup and you need to charge many times the iPhone, so I thought give a secondary driver, I will keep it. So I saw the specifications and found it very good. So anything to be, unboxing I have done it, but lot of SIM card SIM slot is also there, SIM what you call SIM pin. So these are the things they have given in the one. I will once again I will review this. So I have taken some of the pics, I can show to you also. So you can say selfie. These are the lot of pictures I have taken it. So I can show you the flower. Then second one is you see the flower also, you can see it. I don't know, lighting is not good in my room, so it is flashing, it is not seeing correctly. So I think it is a better one as compared to all other phones available in India basically. So there are many phones are there, but I found this one is a very good specifications phone, which is needed for me basically for long battery life and good camera setup and smooth screen also, 120 hertz. Even iPhone is also not using this refresh rate, they are using 60 hertz this thing display. But even though Apple is Apple, but you cannot compare with this one. But however, I feel this is a very good. Thank you guys, and please like my channel, subscribe it and hit the icon button. You will be getting such videos in future. Whatever the gadgets I will get it, maybe I will review time to time. And any questions or anything, or if you want any link also I can provide. Today is the last day from Amazon. You can buy it on Amazon Great Indian Sale, so you will be getting discounts. So you need to check it. Okay, otherwise even iPhone's price also dropped out drastically. So if you are a good fan of it, so you can buy it also. Thank you so much. Bye. See you.